It's Friday, the 7th of June 2019. I'm Dan from ThemeParkNut.com, and this is Theme Park News. In a minute, let's get cracking. And the timer starts now. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge has opened at Disneyland Resort last Friday, and the reviews have been incredibly positive. The only major places that have had large amount of queues are Savis Workshop, where the lightsaber building is, and Olga's Canteen, where you can buy alcohol. They have implemented a slight change to Olga's Canteen so that people are getting return times now to enter it. SeaWorld in Australia have announced a new $50 million land called the New Atlantis, which is going to be opening in 3 stages over the next 18 months. Walt Disney World's Christmas party is getting a brand new fireworks show for this year called Minnie's Wonderful Christmastime Fireworks. This is replacing Holiday Wishes, which normally operates during Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. Universal Orlando have revealed their Halloween Horror Nights for this year is going to again have an 80s theme. D23 have announced the schedule for their event in August and this year, and the Sunday panel is going to be on Disney Parks and That's it for this week's Theme Park News. In a minute. Sorry I missed last week. We'll be back on Sunday with some kind of a video about theme parks, so tune in for that. In the meantime, we'll be on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, or our blog is ThemeParkNut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.